Hey there, I'm Jennifer Bands, and today on Low Carb with Jennifer, I'm going to show you how to make these keto stuffed peppers. Okay, the first thing we need to do for our keto stuffed peppers is we need to clean our peppers. So I've already done 3, and what I like to do so each pepper gets a really good amount of filling is I like to, instead of, a lot of people will cut these in half and then make it 2 servings. I like to do 1 pepper cut in half and then do the stuffing this way. It just looks nice, but you could do it either way. It doesn't matter. So I like to cut the tops off and then pull out the seeds, or you could also put your knife in here like this and kind of twist it, and then the seeds come right out like that. You could also cut this up and put it in your filling if you wanted to. So now, instead of these taking forever to cook in the oven, I like to put them in a large bowl and cover with plastic wrap. So cover the bowl with plastic wrap, and then we're going to microwave these. We're going to microwave them on high for 5 minutes just to get the peppers started cooking, softening, so they don't take as long to bake. And while our peppers are cooking in the microwave, I'm going to cook my sausage. I've got a pound of ground Italian sausage. We're just going to cook and crumble it until it's cooked all of the way through. Our sausage is cooked through, just about. And if you had this sausage that had a lot of fat that rendered from the sausage, then you would want to drain that off. But mine's pretty good. So I'm going to go ahead and add 1 cup of chopped mushrooms, 2 cloves of minced garlic, and 10 ounces of frozen chopped cauliflower that's been thawed. It really doesn't have to be completely thawed because this is going to cook in the meat. So now we're just going to get all of this cooked through for about 5 more minutes. Now I'm going to stir in about 1 cup of this Monterey Jack cheese. I'm going to reserve the rest for the tops of our stuffed peppers. Our peppers are very tender, so I'm going to transfer them from the bowl to our casserole dish. And there's some water in the insides of the peppers, and I'm draining that out. All right, now let's stuff the peppers with our filling. And now we're going to top them with the rest of our cheese. Okay, now these are going to bake in the preheated oven. We've got it at 350 for about 30 minutes. The cheese is going to get nice and bubbly and brown. It's going to be amazing. Okay, our stuffed peppers are out of the oven and they look so good. So let me put one on the plate here. How good does this look? So I'm going to cut it in half. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Yum. Now let's try the peppers are so tender. If you're ever not a fan, if you just I just hate stuffed peppers, it could just be because the peppers need to be cooked longer. So good. Be sure you check out this recipe. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.